Hello folks. Some of us stores our files in Google Drive, but at some stage we realized that those files are not showing up in Windows search results. So in this video I'm going to share with you the steps to get Windows to index and search through the Google Drive folder on your PC. So you'll go to File Explorer, C Drive, the users folder, your own folder, and here you have Google Drive. Right click and look up properties, go to security, advanced. So normally if this is not already sorted out, you would have just one entry with your name, and that would you most likely have full control, but it would be inherited from none. So what we want to make sure on this screen is that this button reads disable inheritance. If it doesn't, then the other thing you will see here is enable inheritance. If that is what you see here on your screen, click the button and it will change to disable inheritance. So what we are doing here is we want this Google Drive folder to inherit permissions from parent folders and be able to pass on permissions to the subfolders and files within this folder. So make sure this button reads disable inheritance. Next, check this box here and click apply. Yes, and then OK, and we can close this. Now we want to make sure that Windows is indexing the Google Drive folder after we have changed the permissions and made sure that the folder is fully accessible to you. So type in the search box indexing options, and after you have changed those permissions for the Google Drive folder, you'll see this number changing, which means new files are being added to the Windows search index. But additionally, what we want to do here on this screen is to make sure that Google Drive folder is included among the folders that are that Windows is indexing. So click modify and you have this list of folders here, expand C Drive, and you can see the users folder is checked, which means your Google Drive folder is included in here. But just to be sure, you can see the Google Drive folder is among the folders that are checked. So that means Windows is all set to index and search through the Google Drive folder. Now, just to be sure that this is working, you can look up some of the files that you put in Google Drive and you were previously not able to see them in search results, and maybe type something like these folders and files I added recently to my Google Drive, and they're now showing up in the results. Before, they were not showing up in the results. So when you have made sure that your files are showing up in the search results, you know that the problem is solved.